What up, and welcome. I am Matthew Msengati, the designer and developer from South Africa. I've got a question for you. How long did the WhatsApp team took in order to create the voice note recording feature? A day or two, a week, a month, or a year? In this video, I am going to show you how to create that in 2 minutes, literally 2 minutes. Obviously, you're asking yourself, how can you talk about WhatsApp, but I see a TikTok app on your video? Okay, this is the TikTok app that I am done developing. If you might be interested on how I've developed it, please shoot a comment below. Then tomorrow I will create a video on it. In closing this video, I am going to show you this TikTok app when it's playing a video, and that video, it's going to be my video from my TikTok, so that you can see the man behind the voice. Okay, without wasting time, guys, let's just get started. Okay, the countdown is starting now. If you want to create the voice note feature of WhatsApp in 2 minutes, this is how you are going to do it. Just go to your website and then just go to npm, and then on npm just search Aphrica, okay, with PH, not F, and then from then you just hit enter. Okay, you are going to see an npm package that I have designed myself. This is my npm package, and then from then you are just going to copy this command, go to your React Native application, and then on a new terminal you can just copy and paste here and then hit enter. This is going to take some time to install. Obviously, it's not going to be a lot of time. So I have created this package to help you quickly design and also finish your application in React Native with Expo. This is an experimental feature. I want you to go to npm and install it. It's going to make it easier for you to do voice recording. It comes with a button and also the button to play. In order for you to play it, you do exactly how WhatsApp does it. So when you are done with this, you just only need on your screen to import this component rec. Okay, it's capital letter. As you can see, record audio from Aphrica. You just click this one, make it a self-closing tag. And what else can you do? Let me first, before I save, let me go to the image tab, so that you can see there's nothing here. So now let's just refresh and see what are we going to see in this page. Okay, as you can see, guys, it says there's an error. I know this is not an error. We just need to close the server and run it again, and nothing much. Okay, we just have to wait. We still have a lot of time. 2 minutes, it's a lot, guys, including the errors, the mistakes, and the unnecessary crashes. We don't care. It's going to work. Let's just wait for this to refresh, and then we are done, guys. You are going to witness and see the feature being available, being presented to you from us, Coded Design, in less than 2 minutes. Let's just refresh this, and then we are done. Okay, just a moment. Let me refresh this. And then we are done, guys. The feature will be available for you to use, and I am going to do the recording live, and I'm going to sing a song. Okay, I'm going to sing a song when I'm doing the recording. I hope you are ready, because I'm ready. I still don't know which song I'm going to sing. Let's continue, guys. Okay, as you can see, guys, boom, here is the recording. The feature is available. So how do you use this? You use it the same way you use your own WhatsApp. Okay, you press and hold and then record. Without wasting time, let's just jump straight into it. What up? This is Matthew Msengati, the designer and developer from South Africa. Don't forget to subscribe and code badly with Pride. Let's release, guys, and see. Okay, boom. As you can see, guys, we've got a play button. So let's play and listen to it. Let me just turn up my volume a little bit. Let's press play. What up? This is Matthew Msengati, the designer and developer from South Africa. Don't forget to subscribe and code badly with pride. Let's release. 100%, guys. As you can see, it's working just like that. What if maybe you want to record another voice note? It's simple, guys. You just press this X, and then what you do, you just hit record. Then in this time, I'm going to sing my favorite song. Can you guess which one is it? Okay, let me record it. Okay, I've been on the low, I've been taking my time. I feel like I live on my mind. La da 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 da. You're not gonna die today. Let me tell you why. That's the end, guys. I think the artist name is Logic featuring blah 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 and blah blah blah. Okay, but I think at least my voice is not that bad. You did get an idea, okay, of the song that I was trying to sing. I don't know the lyrics, I don't know the artist name, but I like the song, guys. What is more important, you are not gonna die today. I am here. I am going to teach you coding and I'm going to show you how to code badly with pride. Take baby steps. Start from step number 1, step number 2, then you are going to be the best. Let's play it, guys. Hello, I've been taking my time. I feel like I live on my mind. La da 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 da. You're not gonna die today. Let me tell you why. This has been the best video of mine. I think for the next 5 years, guys, this will forever be the best. I don't think I will ever make a video that is as interesting as this one. Okay, guys, let's continue on a serious note. I'm done with demonstrating the feature. Please, guys, do me a favor. Go to npm, install this package. This feature is on beta. That means I am testing it. Okay, guys. So what is interesting about this, the code, it's also there. You can check everything, guys. Okay, meaning that you can check there and check the code and just get into my mind and see how I reason and how I do things. Okay, enough about that. Remember, the promise I make is the promise I keep. I told you that you are going to see me live in my TikTok clone that I've developed and designed myself, and that is going to be my message. This video has been full of humanity and humor, I can say. Okay, so it was not just about me coding and whatever. This video has been somewhat different and I like that. Okay, behind all this coding channel, guys, we are human. You are an uncle, you are a brother, you are a father, you are a husband, and you are an awesome woman and a lady. So let's also don't forget that, guys, we are human. Okay, so let's continue, guys. So now I'm just going to jump to a tab where I will just play from this TikTok clone. Okay, if you might want to see how I've done this, please, guys, shoot a comment below. I can create if you want me to show you how I have done this TikTok clone. Let's jump to that tab. Okay, this is the one and only, the greatest, Matthew Msengati, the designer and developer from South Africa. Let me play the video. You cannot change your life overnight. I've tried it. I've tried a shortcut and I've also tried the no cut at all. It didn't work. You cannot change your life overnight. But there's hope. There is something that you can do, and that is to conquer the night, to see the light. Change will take care of itself. I hope you got it. You cannot change your life. That is it, guys. Done. Done and dusted. Matthew Msengati, the designer and developer. Okay, as you can see, my battery is low, guys. After that video, there is nothing more I can say. You cannot change your life overnight, but there is something that you can do. You can conquer the night, conquer that night, that darkness, to see the light. I'm Matthew Msengati, the designer and developer from South Africa, signing out. Peace.